Christmas is a time for stories. We can read stories, we can tell stories. Stories bring us together, filling our hearts with warmth and joy. They remind us of the magic and wonder of the season. We can even make our own stories. Creating stories is a wonderful way to share our imagination and creativity. It's a chance to bring our own magical worlds to life, filled with festive cheer and holiday spirit. Let's learn how to make a Christmas story. It's easier than you think and so much fun. All you need are a few key ingredients to get started. These ingredients will help us create a story that is enchanting and memorable. These are the setting, characters, problem, and resolution. Each part plays an important role in making our story come alive. First, we need a setting. The setting is where our story takes place. Let's see. Where does my story happen? Well, I am thinking about a place that feels magical and festive. Maybe it's the North Pole or a snowy village. Imagine Santa's workshop bustling with activity, elves working hard to prepare for Christmas Eve. Let's picture a snowy village. The houses are covered in lights. Candy canes line the streets. Children sing carols in the square. Can you see it? That's my setting. Now we need characters. Every story needs interesting characters. Who will be in my story? My story needs a jolly gingerbread man. He loves to ice skate. Every winter he glides across the frozen pond, his red scarf trailing behind him. The cold doesn't bother him. It makes him feel alive and full of cheer. He also has a pet penguin named Tinsel. Tinsel is always by his side, wearing a cute Santa hat and helping with all the holiday preparations. They are the best of friends and share many adventures together. They love to decorate the Christmas tree. How fun! Together, they hang ornaments, string lights, and place a shiny star on top. Their teamwork makes the tree look magical and bright. Every good story needs a problem. So, what if the gingerbread man loses his gumdrop buttons? Will he find his buttons in time for the holiday party? The search begins, and with Tinsel's help, they embark on a quest to solve this festive mystery. He needs those buttons to do his special twirling dance at the Christmas Eve party. What will he do? Don't worry. After a big problem, there is always a resolution. We can help him find his buttons. Could that be the resolution that I need? Now that we have all the ingredients together, let me try telling the story like this. In a quaint little Christmas village, the air is filled with the magic of the holiday season. Snowflakes gently fall, covering the town square in a blanket of white. The gingerbread man can't find his buttons? Oh no, that's a big problem. Those buttons are his favorite part of his outfit, and he feels incomplete without them. Tinsel the penguin has an idea. He's been thinking about how to make this Christmas extra special for everyone in the village. He waddles back to the ice rink, where he loves to skate and play. The rink is a favorite spot for all the villagers. While skating, he finds all the missing gumdrop buttons that everyone has been searching for. His eyes light up with joy. The gingerbread man is so happy. He had been worried about his missing buttons, and now he can finally relax. Now he can dance at the party. The festive characters gather around, celebrating together. You did it, Tinsel. That's it. I made a Christmas story. Now it's your turn. Gather your family and friends and create your own magical holiday tales. Create your own Christmas magic. Decorate your tree, share stories, and let the spirit of the season fill your hearts with joy and wonder.